have prepared our workplaces for the new normal. All staff members have completed training in safety and hygiene. We are embracing new practices at check-in. Signs advise guests to socially distance, with floor markings highlighting where to stand. Sanitizer dispensers have been installed, and we are actively encouraging everyone to wash their hands frequently. Screens are in place to maintain a hygienic barrier between guests and staff. We are offering cashless payment systems. This is to further limit contact between guests and staff. We are therefore asking that, where possible, all payments are made by card. Hot or continental breakfasts may be made on demand by our chefs. At the Fraser Collection, we take hygiene standards seriously. We've introduced a new cleaning system across all suites to ensure the highest standards of cleanliness and sanitation upon arrival. This innovative method infuses water with ozone to kill 99% of viruses and provides an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional cleaners. Upon checkout, keys will be returned to a secure box. They will then be fully sanitised for the next guest. Fraser cares, and we have implemented new measures to ensure our properties are safe and that you can stay with us in confidence. We are confident that we can remain open and provide a safe living environment for our guests and a safe working environment for our teams. We connect with Frasers, reunite with those who matter. We look forward to welcoming you back soon.